Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will use Claude AI to write a complete blog post step by step. Claude AI can generate a structured, detailed and SEO-friendly blog post within a few moments. Let's see this in action. I'm opening Claude AI. For this demonstration, I will create a blog post on the topic: how to manage time effectively and increase productivity. Now I'll use the following prompt. Write a complete SEO-friendly blog post on the topic: how to manage time effectively and increase productivity. The target audience is students, working professionals, freelancers, and business owners. Write approximately 1200 words using simple, beginner-friendly language and a natural human writing style. Include an engaging introduction, clear headings and subheadings, practical time management techniques, real-life examples, actionable tips, and a strong conclusion. Use short paragraphs, bullet points where appropriate, and smooth transitions between sections. Also include an SEO-friendly title, a meta description of less than 160 characters, a primary keyword, 5 related keywords, and a clean URL slug. Avoid repetitive content, complicated words, unnecessary jargon, and keyword stuffing. Proofread the content for grammar, spelling, clarity, readability, and factual accuracy before providing the final blog post. This is the standard prompt, and you can use same prompt to generate the blog post content for any topic. Now I'll click Send. Within a few moments, Claude AI generates the complete blog post. Let's look at the response. At the beginning, Claude provides an SEO-friendly blog title, a meta description, a primary keyword, related keywords, and a URL slug. It then writes an engaging introduction explaining why effective time management is important. As we scroll down, Claude organizes the blog post using clear headings and subheadings. It explains practical techniques such as setting goals, prioritizing tasks, planning the day, and reducing distractions. The blog post also includes tips for overcoming procrastination, taking regular breaks, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Claude uses short paragraphs and practical examples, making the article easy to read and understand. At the end, it provides a clear conclusion that summarizes the main time management strategies. Notice that we use only one prompt. Claude AI created the title, SEO details, introduction, complete article, practical examples, and conclusion in a single response. Before publishing the blog post, always review the generated content. Verify important facts, add your own experience, include relevant images, and make any necessary changes. So this is how you can use a single prompt in Claude AI to write a complete blog post.